One of the operations performance indicators is the productivity. Productivity is defined as outputs divided by input. It is a measure of how well the companies utilize their resources. To improve the productivity, we need to ensure the ratio of outputs to inputs as large as possible and conduct benchmarking to see how current performance compares to similar companies. There are three types of productivity measurement. First is the partial measures when we focus on the ratio of output to a single input. The second one is multi-factor measures when we focus on the ratio of outputs to a groups of inputs. And the third one is the total measures when we focus on the ratio of outputs to all inputs. Let's take a look on this example. A wood manufacturing company has collected data for 2019 and 2020 as shown in the following table. We have to compare the labor, raw materials, and total productivity. The first step we need to do is gathering the data from 2019 and 2020 based on the outputs and inputs. In this case, the output is the revenue, while the inputs consist of labor, raw materials, energy, and others. From the partial measurements in terms of labor, on 2019 it yields 2.5. It is derived from the outputs, which is 15,000, divided by the inputs, 6,000. On 2020, it yields 2.6. It is derived from the outputs, which is 21,000, divided by 8,000. And we do the same way for raw materials and we get 2.7 and 3. The total productivity on 2019, it yields 0.81. It is derived from 15,000 as the outputs divided by the inputs, which is 6,000 plus 5,500 plus 3,000 plus 4,000. So we can do the same way. We get 0.95 for 2020. So in this case, finally we can compare between 2019 versus 2020 in terms of its productivity, and it shows in these examples that the productivity is increased.